आयुर्वेदाचो भांगरा काळ सुरू जाला। आयुर्वेद एक्सपोच्या यज्ञांतल्यान आमकां आमचे भलायकी संस्कृतायेच्या मुळामेरेन वचपाक मजत जातली। आयुर्वेद एक्सपो निमतान गोंयांत आयिल्ल्या प्रतिनिधींनी विश्वास उक्तायलो।
गोंयांत सध्या वर्ल्ड आयुर्वेद एंड आरोग्य काँग्रेस एक्सपो चालू आसा। भारत आनी संवसारभरच्या आयुर्वेद मळा वयले प्रतिनिधी गोंयांत भरिल्ल्या ह्या एक्सपोत वांटेकार जाल्यात। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी आनी आयुर्वेद शिकिल्लो मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंताचे ताणें उपकार मानल्यात। 3 वर्सां भितर अर्ध्या संवसारांत आयुर्वेद पातळींतलो दिसतलो अशेंय मत कांय प्रतिनिधींनी उक्तायले। पळोवया कांय वेंचीक प्रतिक्रिया।
बहुत ही कम होती जा रही है और दिन ब दिन घटती जा रही है और इसकी वजह से आयुर्वेद के सामने आयुर्वेद का जो भी स्वर्णकाल है उसका आरंभ है, ये मैं 100% कॉन्फिडेंटली कह सकता हूँ, क्योंकि हमने विदेश में काम करते वक्त बहुत सारी कठिनाइयों का सामना किया है।
Definitely it is a milestone. It will be proving something different. It will be taking Ayurveda towards global health only. It should be coming occasionally, often, so that it reaches out to every mass.
And the people should get more into
More. It is already there with our Honorable Prime Minister ji and Ayush Ministry getting into the stream. Har Ghar Har Din Ayurved. It is already there in every Indian kitchen.
Ayurveda is expanding a lot these days, and Ministry of, as stated by our Honorable Prime Minister, Ministry of Ayush is expanding a lot since last 7-8 years, and it will expand 7 times in next 20 years. So of course, for this All India Institute of Goa launched today will give extreme support, and it will play an important role in the expansion of Ayurveda as well. Along with that, the National Institute of Unani and the National Institute of Homeopathy will also play a major role in expanding the growth of Unani medicine and the medicine of homeopathy within coming years.
प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का तो हमेशा से आयुर्वेद को लेके बहुत ही पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड रहा है, और सीएम साहब भी हमारे आयुर्वेदिक वैद्य हैं गोवा के, तो बहुत ही अच्छा रहा, बहुत ही अच्छे अनाउंसमेंट हुए। आज 3 इंस्टीट्यूट्स का उद्घाटन भी हुआ, तो बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत पॉजिटिव फीलिंग आ रही है, और आयुर्वेद में रहने के नाते बहुत एनर्जी आ गई है हमें, और हम धन्यवाद करेंगे मोदी जी का कि इतना सपोर्ट आयुर्वेद को करने के लिए। थैंक्स अ लॉट।
By bringing more than 50 countries across the world here, and by 2025 they are planning for to reach out to the 100 countries. That means half the world is going to embrace Ayurveda within 3 years.
The holistically emphasized that Ayurveda takes us not only from illness to wellness. He systematically explained us this concept, how it has been really demonstrated by the different disciplines of Ayush, and then specifically in Goa he said that how it can be even along with wellness, how the tourism also will happen.
really amazing, because we have so much possibilities. Like we could meet many different Vaidyas from all over the globe, share experiences here, and definitely I enjoyed the valedictory function with Shri Narendra Modi ji. It's nice to see him live, and so overall it's a great experience, and I wish that more people will learn about Ayurveda with the help of us practicing Vaidyas, that we go to our countries, we share the experience, we popularize Ayurveda for the benefit of everyone.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान विन्संट रोजारियो।